Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Geek and Gorgeous A-Game 10. This product retails for $19.90. If I had a brand that was one of the most requested ones on this channel, this would be the one. Geek and Gorgeous is something I've heard a lot of people talking about. The first time I first heard about it was around Black Friday, and I had already spent so much money on skincare that I am just now coming around to trying it. I cannot wait because I've seen so many people talking about this retinal serum specifically, and that is why I started with this. But I did order a lot of products from this brand, and it's very affordable. The ingredients in their products are beyond impressive. They're some of the best combination of ingredients that I have seen in some skincare products. I am so excited because you all have recommended so many amazing products in the past, and this retinaldehyde serum seems very promising. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. One thing I love about their retinaldehyde serums is that they offer a 0.1% and a 0.05%. I am personally a more advanced retinol user, but that always hasn't been the case, so I would recommend starting with the 0.05% and then building up to their 0.1% and seeing if your skin can tolerate that. I personally opted for the 0.1% because that was just what my skin is used to. The big things I'll be looking for with this product mainly include: how does it feel on the skin? Does it cause any dryness? And what do I notice with it? I'm only going to be using this product for about 1 to 2 weeks during this video, but I will continue to keep you all posted through short form content on how this product is continuing to perform. So with that being said, I'm not looking for a lot of results with this product. As for anything else, I will be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I have actually been using this product for a couple of weeks, but since it is a retinaldehyde serum, I don't use it every night. I used it 2 times last week, and I'm trying to use it 3 times this week to see how my skin tolerates it. You all have been recommending me try this product, and I'm so mad it took me this long to do it because this is a very effective formula in my opinion. They have just the necessary ingredients in it that make it be gentle yet very effective for the skin. I also like that they did do 2 concentrations of it. This is the 0.1%, but I have built up to this. That is just what my skin personally needed. Now with that being said, since it does just have the necessary ingredients, it does have a very potent yellow color. I recommend not wearing white shirts whenever you're using this, or just wear a shirt that you don't care about if you are applying this, because this can transfer pretty easily. Just be mindful of that. Retinal is something that I have used before, and so I was more used to that, but if you are newer to it, then just be mindful. I take about, I would say about 1 pump of this product, and I go in on dry, clean skin. Make sure your skin is dry before you go in with a product like this. And I have experienced no sensitivity throughout the entire time of me using it. This is just such an impressive formula because I have already seen some improvements within my texture within just using it for 2 weeks. I am doing a little bit longer with this because I'm not using it as much. And since you all have been asking me to try this, I really want to make sure I give you a more in-depth opinion about it. It's not drying whatsoever. I wake up the next morning, my skin doesn't feel dried out. I do keep it very simple with this product. I use a gentle cleanser, very barrier supporting products. You can do a moisture sandwich with this, which is where you layer a lighter weight moisturizer, then this product, and then a richer moisturizer as well, just if you experience sensitivity. This is also, in my opinion, something from what I'm noticing that you can build up to before you use a stronger retinal if you do need it. They have a 0.05, a 0.1, and then the ordinary has a 0.2. If you decide you need more than that, this is a building block product, but it could also be all you need. You don't need to keep building up if your skin doesn't need it, but if you do feel like you're not seeing as good results with this, you could build up from this product, at least from what I'm seeing so far. I am really enjoying this retinal serum. I cannot wait to continue using it and seeing what else I notice. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this retinal. This has been a product you all have been recommending me try for a while, and I'm so mad that I just now am trying it. This is such a wonderful, simple yet effective retinaldehyde serum that I actually saw results within the first few weeks of using it. I did use this product for a little bit longer because I'm not gonna lie, I kind of got caught up in using it and I forgot to film a check-in. So I did get to see more results with it because I did use this product for longer, and it has honestly not left my routine since I started using it. I did start out with the 0.1% concentration, but they do also have a 0.05. If you are starting out using retinal, I would recommend starting with that. You can just use that formulation, or if you need more strength, you can build up, and I love that they have two options like that. I feel like this product is also a wonderful building block. If you do need more of the concentration of retinaldehyde, you could use up this product completely and then build up to the Ordinary's retinal as well. This is, in my opinion, the perfect building block for that, because similar to the Ordinary's, this one has all of the ingredients it needs to be a simple yet effective retinaldehyde serum. This is a wonderful formulation. Geek and Gorgeous is known for this product, and I completely understand why. I didn't experience any sensitivity with it. I am a more experienced user, so I did use this product 2 to 3 times a week, and I feel like I could use it more. I just prefer not to go in with retinal that often. If you are newer to using retinaldehyde, first of all, I'd recommend going for the 0.05% concentration and build up based on your skin tolerance. Retinal is definitely an active that you don't want to mess around with. It can be very potent and you can sensitize your skin, but when going for a retinaldehyde, this is, in my opinion, one of the most affordable, simple yet effective options if you're just wanting skincare that treats your skin. And in my opinion, that's all you really need. This is a wonderful option for a retinaldehyde serum. It has a beautiful texture to it that absorbs very easily. And like I said, I didn't experience any sensitivity, so I would 100% recommend trying it. I saw subtle differences within my texture, my hyperpigmentation, and also my acne, but they were very subtle. It's definitely a product that will show more results the longer that you use it. I will keep you posted on this product, but so far I'm really impressed. So I would 100% recommend trying out this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.